So now when we go here, now I'm going to pull up a 808 from AT Sound Kit 7. Go in piano roll, Control V. Knock it up 2 octaves because the malice try. We're probably going to want to create some uniqueness. Let's try that maybe. So let's play the chorus together. We're going to keep that looped. Maybe try it. So it is an F sharp minor. What we could do is go to helpers, scale highlighting, F sharp minor. Boom, boom, boom. So now let's go back. So now we got an 808 pattern. It works with the melody. It's unique. It's not an exact replica of that bass line, which is good.
Beat it, 18, what up?